Central Daylight Time.
Makes total sense.
At 11:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe
They haven't
thunderstorms
canceled the other one.
extending from 4 miles east of Burbank to near
Oh my gosh, we're just gonna shut up.
east of Perry, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Pawnee, Cleveland, Fairfax, Shidler, Hennings, Ralston, Burbank, Hallett, Blackburn, Turleton, Merrimack, Spinney. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. At 11 p.m. at the Tulsa International Airport, it was mostly cloudy. The temperature was 82, dew point 73, relative humidity 74%. The wind was southeast at 12. The temperature was 29.87.
Yeah, every radio went off except that one.
Oklahoma this hour. In Oklahoma City, it was partly
I really don't know what I'm probably gonna put that up. It's not working. It's not ever going
mostly
off.
cloudy with a temperature of
Of course, this one doesn't go off, but
in
really, I mean, I usually don't expect this thing to go off sometimes.
In Kansas City, a thunderstorm was reported with a temperature of 70. At the Sand Springs Airport, it was fair with a temperature of 82. At the Jenks Riverside Airport, it was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 82. In Tahlequah, it was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 77. In Muskogee, it was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 80. Around the region, in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, it was clear with a temperature of 83. In Kansas City, it was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 72. In Joplin, it was cloudy with a temperature of 72. At Springfield, it was cloudy with a temperature of 76. In Wichita, it was cloudy with a temperature of 73. In Fort Smith, it was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 81. And in Fayetteville, it was cloudy with a temperature of 78. Once again, in northeast Oklahoma, it was mostly cloudy.
It won't turn off.
Temperatures were between 79 and 82 degrees. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Osage County in northeastern Oklahoma, Pawnee County in northeastern Oklahoma until 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located
There.
from 4 miles east of Burbank to near Pawnee to 7 miles east of Perry, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage.
I don't even think they've 1, 2. Oh, they canceled the other one.
Ralston, Burbank, Hallett, Blackburn, Turleton, Merrimack. Move to an interior room on the lowest
It's
floor of a
11:55 for crying out loud.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for West Central Osage, Northwest.
They never canceled it. It's not 12 yet.
Central Daylight Time.
Okay.
A severe thunderstorm was